Bluetooth earbuds not turning on. If your Bluetooth earbuds are not turning on, first check if they are charged. To make sure your earbuds are charging properly, confirm the charger and cable are working by testing them on another device, such as a phone or tablet. If the cable or charger are not working, try using a different outlet and a different charger and cable. If the charger and cable work, confirm the charging port on your earbuds are clean. Plug your earbuds in and charge for 1 to 2 hours. Most earbuds have a red light indicating they're charging. Power on by pressing and holding the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. Most earbuds will beep or a light will flash to indicate they have turned on. If your earbuds are not powering on after you have confirmed they are charged, perform a factory reset on them. If your earbuds have power buttons, remove the earbuds from the case and press and hold the power button on both earbuds at the same time for 15 seconds. If your earbuds don't have a power button, press and hold the button on the charging case for 15 seconds. You should hear a sound or see your power light flash to indicate the earbuds have been reset. Remove both earbuds from the case. If they don't have power buttons, they will power on when removed. If they do have power buttons, press and hold the power buttons at the same time for 2 to 3 seconds on both earbuds to turn them on. Once powered on, the earbuds will automatically pair with each other. This usually takes about 5 seconds. Now pair the earbuds with your phone or tablet again. Your earbuds should now be working again.